Hello, everyone. So, have you ever gone to the grocery store without a shopping list in your hand and you just thought that you have everything you need on your head, and then you keep walking around the aisles and you remember you've forgotten the ice cream, you've forgotten the yogurt, you've forgotten bread, you've forgotten milk, you've forgotten butter, you've forgotten eggs, and you wanted to get some fruit and some vegetables. So you keep shopping until you feel like, okay, my basket is full or my budget is full, or you are getting everything you need. So here is how Python can help me. I'm gonna be writing a function and I'm gonna call it go shopping. And go shopping, you when you go, you start with an empty basket and um, basically you start the shopping when you have a lot of things to do. So the plan is you start when you're in the mode of wanting to keep going until you stop. How do I say in Python keep going until you stop? So I can actually define a variable. I'm gonna call it shopping, keep shopping, if I can type it. So I'm gonna keep shopping, and this keep shopping is gonna be yes, I want to keep shopping, or the other way I could actually say done shopping. I could also say no, and I will continue. But let's do it with keep shopping. I want to keep shopping as long as I am not done. Okay, so I'm gonna keep shopping here. Then there's a new construct that we have to use that would allow me to do this continuous looping until yes becomes a no. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna ask while keep keep shopping. As long as keep shopping is a yes, and it is a yes to start with, I want to continue to to do the shopping, and I want to start piling items in my grocery list. So here's I'm gonna ask using an input device the item that I want to shop for. What item are you missing? Okay, so this is gonna go into a variable. I'm gonna call this an item. So when I do this, I'm gonna be entering something like I'm missing yogurt, I'm missing this, I'm missing ice cream, missing eggs, I'm missing bagels, and so on. So now I asked um, what item that I want to shop, and when I pick up the item, I really want to put it in the shopping cart so I don't lose it. So I'm gonna come here and I put this item in the shopping list or the basket. And if you remember, I started here with a basket coming from the grocery store, and I'm gonna append it. I'm gonna append the item onto the basket like that. So this is how I'm gonna put the item in the basket, and we've seen how to use the append function. Just trying to make sure. Okay. Now I want to ask if I'm done shopping or not. Well, I don't know if I'm buying one item or I'm buying 100. So I want to say if keep shopping is no, then if I'm done, then I'm just going to say thank you so much. Um, Wonderful trip and mission accomplished. Like that. Otherwise, I'm just going to continue to loop. And this looping here is going to um, tell me that I will keep shopping. But if I'm done, I'm gonna if keep shopping is no, then I have to also say that I'm done. I have to change this guy. So I also need a variable here. um, I need another variable that says keep shopping. So I want to, if keep shopping is no, if mission accomplished at this point, well, I need to ask that question first. So before I do this, I'm gonna say, do you want to keep shopping? So I'm missing that step here, input. Do you want to keep, after picking up the first item, do you want to keep shopping? Do you want to keep shopping? Okay. Now, since I asked that question, if the answer is yes, then I'm gonna keep looping. If the answer is no, then I'm done with my mission. And when all is done, I should say I want to make sure that this basket is returned, being full. Return like that. Then the basket will be returned, and we're gonna be sharing it with the outside world. And I think this is good. Let me make sure that I make this a little bit bigger, like that. And I'm gonna save. Let me remind you that this return statement is exactly at the same level with everybody else. Let me see why the return statement seems to be awkward like that. Here, this is good. It's the same at the same level with everybody else. Hopefully we don't have any indentation issues. Okay, so let me clear my screen. The screen is already cleared. So what items I am missing? I'm missing bagels. Do you want to keep shopping? Yes. What item I'm missing? Ice cream. Do you want to keep shopping? Yes. I remember that Python is case sensitive. If you say this yes with lowercase, is gonna quit. So you gotta have to make sure that it's actually yes with uppercase. What item am I missing? Cream, cheese, like that. What items I'm missing? Do I want to keep shopping? Yes, Mujna. What other items I'm missing? I don't know. Butter. Okay, do you want to keep shopping? Yes. What items I'm missing? Eggs. Those are good. Do you want to keep shopping? What if I say wanna say no? We can say mission accomplished. And this is really all there is. We did not return the basket here. My basket. We did not return my basket like that. And we could have actually had a print statement for each item in the basket, in my basket. And then I can actually print item purchased, and this should give me the item that I purchased, and I put in a list, in the shopping cart. And I can actually clear this and then start over again. But let me see. Do you want to keep shopping? Yes, I want to make sure that I leave some space here like that. Mission accomplished. Like that. Okay. What items are we missing? We can also put a really nice print statement here saying, oops. Print good luck shopping today. So this is just gonna make a really nice message here, and then is going to give me some end lines, so this message is gonna stand out. Let me run again one more time and you will see what I mean. So now it's telling me, good luck shopping today. What items are you missing? We can say I'm missing, I don't know, I'm missing eggs. Are you done shopping? Do you want to keep shopping? Yes, I'm not done. Oh, well, we should have, that's another issue. We should have actually put this outside the loop, because as you can see, is gonna keep doing this. So we need to put this outside the loop, because the loop is going to repeat everything like a little parrot here. Okay, so let me exit this guy and clear the screen and try one more time. Good luck shopping today. What items are we missing? We're missing eggs. Yes, I want to keep shopping. Are you missing butter? Do you want to keep shopping? Yes. Ice cream. Do you want to keep shopping? Yes. What other items are we missing? I don't know. We said eggs and butter. Um, grapes. You want to keep shopping? Yes. Juice. No, I'm done. I don't want anything else. And here you go. We actually ended up printing all the items: eggs and butter, and ice cream, and grapes, and juice. We printed all of them again. So as you can see, this is a really nice mechanism. I'm gonna clear here. That will help me to keep repeating a task until I'm done. And in this case, the task is essentially shopping in a grocery store. That's it. That's all I wanted to show you. And you should be able to use this for your homework assignment, whenever you feel it's applicable, because you have the while loop here in your assignment. So use this as an example. I showed you one example during class, and here's another one, and tomorrow we're gonna have a game to play together. Thank you so much, and I will be seeing you in class in the morning.